a good one.
We need to make friends with someone like that.
Yeah, right? Dude, that's so sick.
Axe. Electric paddle boards.
Who did? They did?
Those things sticking up. Do you see those props sticking up?
On the boat?
Yeah, in the boat.
Oh, the hydrofoil?
Yeah.
Or the
but
foil
they were-
things?
I think they were like gas powered.
Bro, that's
They
sick.
were up here when I was here, and they're electric.
They are electric?
Propeller on it.
Yeah, because I saw the prop.
Oh, they're just like the jet surfboard
they
things?
have the hydrofoils that you pump.
Yeah, yeah.
This one.
It's one of those, but electric.
With a remote.
Oh, freaking! That's sick. I just saw one on TikTok the other day.
You should buy one.
They were out here.
Yeah.
No,
I wonder how much
they're
they are.
16 grand.
No.
Are they really? I've seen cheaper ones.
Bro, that's as much as a jet ski, bro. Nice to see. Alright, guys, lake day. We're out on Yale Lake. Ready to get some jet skis in. Alright, that's Reed's take. Maybe he's not ready. I don't know.
No.
Maybe he deserves to get absolutely tossed off the jet ski today.
Your guys' is all not in there. Like I already put all the mine, Chase, and Bird. Your guys are all. I already got them.
So organized, Reed.
Huh?
So organized, dude.
I am.
Alright. Whoa. There's so much weight on this.
Hey, we can't lose him.
Oh my gosh. Can't lose the glasses. He's like, I wonder if my glasses float. And he's like setting him in the water, and then he just lets them go and they just start sinking. Them pit vipers. So much weight on them, but we can have, even when there's no weight, it's still like, bounce. Yeah, we're gonna have some pretty air.
Bro, you guys are so fat. If you drive it, you'll realize how much it just sits.
Well, we were leaning on each side, so it like controls what's right here.
What's better steering, the jet ski or us?
Yeah, we're trying to go straight. Right? There's little horns on the jet ski. Good spot. Aye, aye, Captain. So who's getting off? Birdo is. Just tie him to the stump too.
We're just running up on the
Shallow, just jump off.
Well, no, we'll see how there's like rocks in some spots. Oh, it's real shallow. Green on.
Can you lather my back?
Yeah. Maybe. Hey, Berto, you want to lather his back up? Sunscreen?
Yeah, I know you do.
No speaker is the biggest problem. Yeah, just pull it up.
You think the bottom's fine? It's pretty soft. I
Yeah,
haven't felt any.
just a little bit. Once you, right there is probably good.
As a marine biologist, I'm not being good to the earth right now.
No, just keep carving into it.
Wait, why?
The erosion.
I'm speeding up erosion. That was from the Yakult flood of 2002. And then these layers right
Totally. I don't see what. Oh wait.
I know, but like...
Can you camp here?
I mean, I don't think you get in trouble.
No.
A bonfire here.
Well, unless you have like the 1-day pass and your car is left over there.
True.
Oh yeah, then you just get a 2-day pass.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to do
Smart. That'd be freaking sick. Yeah.
like the whole
Then we might not be able to be.
Yeah, then they might come and kick us out. Light the big stump on fire.
No, it's because it's in the water. That's why we did it. We were being smart.
All I heard is you dumped gasoline in the lake.
Jake's just out there with a gasoline thing, just dumping it around.
It's not very good.
You gotta get the gas oil mix.
Because the
Oh,
runoff,
gosh.
it'll end up in the ocean. Where'd you go?
Idiot. Turn out saying I need just a camera like on
San
Chase
Marcos.
24/7.
San Marcos? Yeah, it's in Guam.
I studied overseas.
Hey guys, come over here real quick. Everyone come stand in the frame. Chase, come over.
You should actually, before you dip out, tell them.
What are we gonna do?
Oh.
Okay, what should we do?
You just stand there and kind of like a bunch of different poses.
What should we do? Thumbnail, somebody drowned. Everybody go.
What? We're gonna do like this.
Oh yeah, that's a new dance read.
Yeah. Joke's on you, Daniel's just gonna actually put this in the video.
The whole thing. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we're good. Chase is up there freaking chillaxing. Guys, we've been stranded for like 3 days out here. Somehow the camera has lasted that long, the battery life. Put SOS up there. We need help.
I was gonna do Thompson SOS.
There's not people around here, as you can tell. There's not tents or anything. We carved a paddle. We're gonna try to paddle back on the jet ski, I guess. See, there's like no one out here to help us. As you can see, Trent's carving SOS, or I don't know what he's doing, causing erosion, speeding it up. We just need water.
It's crazy how
We need water.
we were surrounded by water.
I
wish there was someone here to help us.
There's just nobody.
Help.
We're completely stranded. Nobody nearby. We need help.
We need water.
Out of food. Berto needs his protein bars.
Just want McDonald's.
Oh, we got spike ball going. You know, you shouldn't use up too much energy because we've been out of food for a couple days. Guys, Trent's officially losing his mind. Oh, yeah. Oh. Trent's putting his seat in the wall.
Oh. And remember in Hawaii when we went on that excursion and the person was telling us that they would put the king's tomb inside of the wall?
Yeah, and then somebody had to jump or die in there with him.
Have a guard it, and then the person would jump because he didn't want to starve to death.
Yeah. And he would jump onto rocks, but he wasn't this high. He was much higher.
I'm just preparing my tomb.
I'm just excited about my paddle.
If the Earth's not flat, explain that to me.
Explain what?
Just saying that to Braden.
Trent finished and completed his chair, guys.
Step.
We're just speeding up Earth's erosion.
You want to help?
Push.
Clip, thumbnail,
Steps worked.
thumbnail. Oh, no way.
That's sick.
Nice. You're the
Look
king,
at my
bro.
masterpiece.
Hey, hold on.
I'm his guard.
You good?
Sick 'em, boy.
I'm still javelin.
Throw it like a
A
jab.
weapon of choice. You want better steps, master?
Hey, step away.
It will not fall. I built it sturdy, just for you.
Day 14, guys. We still need food. We've been surviving off the ants and their minimal protein. Hey, don't be long gone. Gone long. Long gone. Don't be long gone. All right.
What am I doing?
To our castle. Hey, let's hear your chant.
We welcome you, Chase the Third.
Yes, the ball is the gift.
You must crawl up the mountain, which is a sign of respect. Don't actually.
No, don't crawl.
You must walk to show your respect.
Stand tall, cameraman.
If we can stay upright.
Bow down.
Keep your chin high, sir. That is disrespect.
Thank you.
Do you accept my gift?
Get out of here.
Hey, King, Your Royal Highness. What shall I do? Flip. The king wants a flip. We give him flip out of respect.
Are you gonna do it or not? Speed it up.
Hey, teach me how to do backflip for the vlog.
I saw.
I like how Chase is just standing in the steps I made.
The steps just came out. He's not interested. King, at your service. My Highness.
blood.
Yes, sir. Another one?
Now.
The light jackets are floating away. Hey!
Daniel.
It's like, look how small they look over there. It's pretty high, not gonna lie. It's probably, honestly, hey, like, here's Reed. It's probably 20, probably just 25 feet-ish. Ow! Frick, frick, frick! Boom, boom. Well, on this one, it slipped, and as I went back, I didn't get my disc, so I ate crap off the side.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, why did it take us so long? Hey, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, and now my brain's
Gonna throw them in the water. And myself, we're gonna try to launch us. Maybe go hit the kayakers real quick.